Right, we are back in the extension build. It's all been painted, spots are in, it's all been whitewashed. So we're going to do the tiling. Kitchen's coming in a couple of weeks. Let me show you. So we've just primed that, that's just drying. We haven't primed this bit yet, we'll move later on. Got this stuff, it's a matte tiling bloke give us it. Said it needs to go down, it says stops cracking, good for underfloor heating, stuff like that. So I rang him up, made sure it were alright because it shows you its own ply there. So I rang him up and said, is this for concrete? And he said, yeah, that's the stuff for the concrete as well. So I don't know, but it's the first time we've used this. So primed it, and then apply a thin bed, 2 to 3 mil, and then it says on here, you just butt joint them, don't use tape. So you just butt joint the mat up, and then you can lay out mat anytime, day after or straight away. So we need to get this down, and it's going to have to go that way. And then we're actually doing like a brick bond with tiles. They're the tiles that are going down, so they're just going to be half bonded. So, mix on, crack on. Does that thing here have a little that? Got it? Yeah. Just going out, something in there. We're going out. Go on, pull it. Pull it. Yeah. I just put a little fold in this one so it goes over, thing will cut it off later then. Pull it to you. Yeah. Right, we've got to there. It says you can tile them straight away, so that's what we're going to do. Just work back. Need to set one up there and then line through. Might have to string a line for this one, or use laser. Might use laser. Right, these are tiles. We're doing brick bond on it. Squared it up down here. Set laser on that line there, and it goes across to this one, which is up against same gap. So we think we're pretty square at that. So I think that's what we're going to go for. So set that end, put laser back on. Work this line across, then work back from that. We're spreading and back buttering as well, because we like it that way. So there's some adhesive here, there's adhesive under that, adhesive there, adhesive on there. Yeah, why? Got all over. I'll wash my hands for now. Let's get it in. Yeah. First one level, and shouldn't be far off then.
Away from home, but your mental health can take a battering. Now, with the help of the Lighthouse Construction. So obviously you did have a go with it, seemed to enjoy it a little bit too much. So yeah, there's a bit of a really good video and some funny moments.
Just want to praise you. Yeah. That's it. This is this is going into a unit, so there'll be like an island here, breakfast bar sort of thing, I think. and then that wires to put something in the unit. Got a few down now. Just prime it rest of it. We can carry on. A couple of metres there. That's the primer we're using. Then that's the adhesive. This is probably one of the dodgiest cuts we're going to be doing on this job. Look at that. It's just worked out with a little sliver, and if I squeeze it down too much, it'll break. To be fair, you'd never know anyway with that, even if it did break, but I don't want it to go down.
Oh no, well, when you push it.
Wiggle it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Well, that worked out well. No breakages yet.
No, 100%, there's not a lot of more. These are all.
Finished it. And look what's here. The kitchen has arrived. We're just cleaning this up. So we're just cleaning it up so we can grout it. So I've already got a little bit mixed there. This is a grout and it's grey, so should be pretty good. Better off with like a grey grout, then it don't get mucky. White is a nightmare for grout, and black is even worse. Wax on, wax off. That's a nice colour, that, isn't it? Right, that dried last night. We've got to move the units there and grout all the rest. So these you just leave them till next day, and then you just kick them wherever grout lines go in. So kick them that way and them that way, and then just pop off like that. Easy peasy. Wow, that's it. We've done it, finally. It's been a tough one, this. Quite a few metres in it. Well, yeah, it's all grouted, just drying out, so it goes lighter than that. It goes that colour. So pretty light. Nearly the same colour as tiles. But a few metres in that, and then they're a different tile in there. But this needs... so it's having big... water tank in there, that's underfloor, and then we're going to put a door on and some boxing in under the stairs. But yeah, and then that can be tiled after, then probably box it in first, I think, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, the kitchen is here. So next job, kitchen, I think. Get that in, and then someone else is coming to fit tops. It's some special tops. I'm not sure what make tops are, but so they fit them. So we've just got to get all the units in and sort all that out. I think plumber's coming Monday. He's going to move some pipes for us over there. So he's moving pipes, and then yeah, ready to roll. Right, I'm out here. If you like it, subscribe, like, hype, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.